as Prime Minister, and I'm sure I can say for the leader of the opposition as well, when we make laws, yes, we want to deter, yes, we want to punish, but we also want to be fair. And we understand the social dynamics in our country.
As of February 1, 2023, we will begin the phased implementation of the new Road Traffic Act 2018 and the Road Traffic Regulations 2022. I want to emphasize that this law is not about collecting revenue for more tickets or punishing motorists.
They about an hour ago, I said wait for somebody to come out to assist. Understand? And all them do are come out and I tell us that somebody soon come out and assist you. And you know I get it. You see me, I don't understand the system. It's like the more you come here and it's like when you come, you're stuck.
You understand me I say? Everything what Andrew Holness say, wrong. Completely wrong. You can't put the camera upon me, man, because I'm afraid, man. Yeah, man. Completely wrong, man. I'm straight liberal, I'm telling the honest truth. Andrew Holness, you're not going good. You understand me I say? If you call election, you're going to have a problem. You understand me I say? Yeah. Just look for the ticket them. And see how much money you're charged with. As a taxi man. Right? Crime not solved. Nothing at all. Why a taxi man are the problem?
Yeah, well, go on. You see the whole traffic thing. A foolishness. Why we have to pay them years to years, we have to pay them money. That don't make no sense. You understand? Paying them money years to years, that don't make no sense because them that they're here. We support the problem where we have to just do it by ourselves. So if you can't manage your work, if you just jump and make somebody who can make other people who can manage your work, do it.
The government know that the system had a flaw in it, and the government should be the one to accept all of this problem that we are facing with. Wipe the thing clean. And he's telling me I should have saved my receipts. And I said, no, the owner is supposed to be on the government to prove me not guilty. I know me if you come and prove it to myself to the government to say me not guilty. And you and your agent take me to court. It's a joke. People are willing to pay, still a got a problem. So what you think? You don't love the people of the country.
The motorists are appealing to the government for fair treatment.
You put in new rules and new laws for motorists and for murderers and all these things. And the people who really do the crime, those who are embezzling the money, there's no rules and regs for them. Those are the people who need to start going to prison.
National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says the government will not consider a traffic ticket amnesty at this time, resisting the pressure applied as a result of the taxi and bus operator strike, which impacted the traveling public in various parts of the island.
The Ministry of National Security, which has the responsibility to look at enforcement, did not consider any amnesty for those who have breached the road traffic law. Right? I've indicated this on many occasions because besides the philosophy or the basic principle that is fundamentally wrong, it's a major problem in executing and implementing new operation with the ticket management system.
We don't want to hear about the system fighting against us. That's very tired and played out.
The babes, I go alright, man. I just one of them things there, you see me? It's wicked and terrible and ugly and Andrew Holness and Juliet. You have youth in a Juliet. So I say, step from back at Andrew, man, and come on the front line, come see mothers like them here, man. So I say, and come feel what them a feel in our country where them love. So I say, how no comfortable, so.
We citizens, on our own brother, on our own uncle, on our own father, and we take this job to protect and serve Jamaica, but we not protect and serve politicians and political interests. Right? When since we cannot speak out against the way we feel without risk of you pressuring me. Now, the Jamaican Constitution does not allow the government of Jamaica to use the office of the Prime Minister or any other office to oppress and pressure any citizen at all. You Jamaicans better wake up before them come kick off on the door 1-1 and do like what you see them do all over the place.
Because at the end of the day, we can't get to talk to you. See? And come like you now understand because you're there in a desk and use a pen to sign away and determine how our life run with a pen and paper. See? These are people you are dealing with, human beings. And if you push away, we are going to push back, brother.
want to ask you a question and I really want you to answer me. Wanna proud of yourself? Wanna feel good? Wanna happy for a decision you wanna make? Now me ask you now. Wanna happy with a decision you wanna make? Come the one in here. Me did one in here. I say, are the worst decision you make to make Andrew Holness win back the election, you remember? Wanna remember? Now, the problem with the people, because I never talk to you, you know, because I am from the people, for the people. See? Problem with you know, when the eye open, but you're not blind.
The citizens of the country, Mr. President, are afraid of the government. You embrace the song called Government Badness and Jones, not me. So you speak to the things you embrace, not me. Not me. I am also aware, Mr. President, no, but the past is just a exaggerated reality. It's not the first. It's not the first. Many who have criticized Mr. Holness have been arrested and publicized on the internet.
Mr. President, on a point of order. On a point of order.
Because they're not open to criticism at all. It's a zero tolerance policy for criticism. No, but mind them are not artists, you know, them are not celebrity, them are not actor, them are not. What do you think them are? Them are public servant. They serve the public. They are employed by the public to serve the public's interest. And when the public say, me not comfortable with this, there's not even an explanation, there's just arrogance and disgusting behavior. And the biggest feedback I get from supporters of the JLP, alright, since you have a problem with it, what is your solution? My solution is you figure.
So I urge our Jamaican people, seek verified information before you use that to form your opinion. There is always room for improvement, but the sky has not fallen as some would have projected it would have.
A long time it tells Andrew Holness job have a mash up the country, you know? What do you think I joke? Because how else everything that broke down, so? What you mean JRS strike, Andrew Holness? What you mean RGD worker people don't get them birth certificate strike, Andrew Holness? What you mean say air traffic controller strike, immigration worker strike, NHT worker strike, National Water Commission worker strike, police are walk off the island. Jamaicans are go drove across the Mexican border. They run and left them own country the first time this.
And poor people are dead at Jamaica. Poor people are dead at Jamaica. See? Poor people are dead at Jamaica. So people, the whole system of people, the whole system of Jamaica corrupt. Police are resign. The nurse are resign. Everybody around left Jamaica. Why them politicians can't fix it? I hate the whole of them. Right now, I don't want nobody tell me about no PMP or no JLP. I'm done with it. Because you see from them rap bolt. I know say them people, yeah.
We lose off our Prime Minister. Whenever I expect you to say something like that about Maroon, nothing is going to win the next time, the next election.
200 years.
Yeah, man, in disrespect Maroon. I don't feel good about it. Yeah, man.
What you don't want to see happen right now?
I live where I live good.
Just like how we are live?
Just like how we are live.
Yeah?
Peaceful.
Peace and love there.
Peace and love.
We know the trick now. We understand the trick now. We know that for years, 78 years, you have been buying the two party them and tricking the people them. We know that for the last 78 years, you have given them millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars to come and buy a vote and trick me out. But that day they don't know. Because we, the people, have opened up and expanded our minds and our understanding. We see the trick now. So we're no longer JLP, we're no longer PNP, we're no longer green, we're no longer Irish. We are Jamaican.